Hola, my name is Davia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can combine two photos in Photoshop in one, like I did with these two, becoming this one. Are you ready? Alright, then let's do it, let's go. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing, of course, is uploading both photos in Photoshop, and then I just try to do some sort of contrast editing, and then I combine the two photos in one Photoshop file, and then I am changing the opacity on one of them and trying to place it and scale it so it can be totally 100% or almost 100% good for being like a layer over layering the first photo. And then I am cutting off the part that I want to remove from the photo by placing the new layer of the new photo up there, and then I just put a mask on it. So you can see we have only the wooden part above the paper part, and I'm fixing it a bit so it is fully wooden, no paper that is like no paper can be seen, and then you see the wood. That's all we have. And now what I need to do is I need to make it almost there in tone and opacity and saturation with the photo that is the first one, the base photo that we have with painting and all that good stuff. And as you can see, I'm just doing the saturation and exposure type of editing. And then what I need to do is I need to change that sharp edge on the mask layer and make it not that obvious for us to be seen that it is an edit. So I'm just basically blending the second layer, the layer that we put above, in the mask. Don't forget, do it in the mask, because in the mask you can always go back and put some of the parts back and you can change it, because when you do it with the eraser you have a chance you will never ever get it back, and maybe you will need some part and you need to start all over. You don't need it, trust me. And this is like a tip number one that I recommend you to do everything with mask. And then I'm just trying to put some editing to the angle, get it a little bit warmer. Of course, I'm not like 100% good at it, but I just wanted it to become a little bit warmer. Then what I want to do is I want to apply the shadow to the bottom part, because as you can see by now we have our canvas, the canvas that is on the wood line, like it's very unnatural. We need a shadow, guys. We need a shadow, trust me. I know my shadow is not that great, but yet and still we need a shadow. We need a shadow because it will look more natural, or as natural as it is possible. For me personally, I did it kinda a little bit like fast and rush, but it's still not that bad. You can sit a little bit more and do it better. So basically what I do a new layer with the multiply filter on it and just do some blackish type of color, and that's basically it. And now I'm changing the saturation, doing some filters that will match my Instagram feed aesthetic. And I think that's basically it. I'm finishing my work and you will see the final result that is on my Instagram right now. Alright, let's go to my feed and see it. Yeah, here it is. I think it's not that bad. You can try it for yourself. It's kind of easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another one. Bye, guys.